হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু মালদা সদর ইউথ কম্পিউটার ট্রেনিং সেন্টার। তো আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব সিডিটি এর অনলাইন এক্সামে এমএস অ্যাক্সেস 2016 থেকে যেসব সম্ভাব্য কোশ্চেনগুলো আসতে পারে, তো সেই সব কোশ্চেনগুলো নিয়ে আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব। তাহলে ভিডিওটা শুরু করছি। এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি প্রথম কোশ্চেনটা বলছে which of the following is not modification of the database। আনসার দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে শর্টিং। নেক্সট, a from can be used to, আনসার দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে all of the above, মানে হলো modify records, delete records, format, printed output, তিনটেই হবে। নেক্সট বলছে there are certain packages that allow people to define data items, place these items in particular records, combine the records into designated files and then manipulate and retrieve the sorted data. What are they called? Answer হলো database management system, যেটাকে আমরা শর্ট ফর্মে বলে থাকি DBMS. Next, which of the following in numbered field size in Access? Answer হলো double. Next, how do you insert a graphic of your company's logo on a report? Answer হলো ডিজাইন ট্যাব, তারপর সেখান থেকে যাব আমরা লোগোতে। নেক্সট বলছে the purpose of the primary key in a database is to, আনসার দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে uniquely identify a record. নেক্সট, which type of data can be sorted in the database? আনসার হলো all of the above, মানে আবার এখানে অপশন এ ইমেজ ওরিয়েন্টেড ডেটা, অপশন বি টেক্সট ফাইলস কন্টেনিং ডেটা অ্যান্ড অপশন সি ডেটা ইন দ্য ফর্ম অফ অডিও অর ভিডিও, এই তিনটেই হবে। নেক্সট, which of the following command is correct to delete the values in the relation teaches? আনসার বলছে delete from teaches. Next, we can't create index or primary key on more than dash fields. Answer holo 1. Next, what is the maximum length a text field can be? Answer holo 255. Next, the size of yes or no field is always, answer holo 1 bit. Next, a value that is automatically entered in a field for a new record. Answer holo default value. Next, validation rule in a field will, answer holo checks the value entered when users leave the field. Next, how can you define a field so that when entering data for that it will display instead of actual type text? Answer holo input mask. Next, to sort records in a table, answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে open table, click on the field on which the sorting is to be done, then click sort button on database toolbar. Next, which field type will you select when creating a new table if you require to enter long text in that field? Answer holo memo. Next, what does the show checkbox in query design window indicate? Answer bolche it indicates whether that the data of the specific field is to be displayed in query result or not. Next, query design window has two parts. The upper part shows, answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে tables with fields and relationships between tables. Next, as access database object that is used to enter, view or edit records. Answer holo form. Next, every table in relational database contain a field or combination of fields that can uniquely identify each records. It is called, answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে primary key. Next, what is a database? Answer holo organized collection of data or information that can be accessed, updated and managed. Next, how can you link a table with another so that a field is in current table will display values in drop down box from another table while entering data? Answer bolche lookup wizard. Next, which of the following is not a database application? Answer বলছে flash. Next, in database identification of data is called, answer বলছে field. Next, in a database what does each row represent? Answer হলো record. Next, in Access the best types of queries to use for data analysis are, answer বলছে select queries. Next, what is the full form of DBMS? DBMS এর full form হলো database management system. Next, which of the following is a database management tool developed by Microsoft? Answer হলো MS Access. Next, to create relationship between two tables, answer বলছে drag the primary key of a table into foreign key of another table. Next, to duplicate a controls formatting you can use, answer বলছে painter. Next, when entering field name how many characters you can type in maximum? Answer হলো 64. In which of the following formats data is sorted in the database management system? Answer বলছে table. Next, the third stage in designing a database is when we analyze our tables more closely and create a dash between tables. Answer বলছে relationship. Next, a dash is the default control for a yes or no option. Answer বলছে check button. Next, this data type allows alphanumeric characters and special symbols. Answer বলছে text. Next, in a database table the category of information is called dash. Answer হলো field. Next, a dash is a unit of information in a dash. প্রথম ব্ল্যাঙ্কসে আনসারটা হলো field এবং তার পরের ব্ল্যাঙ্কসে আনসারটা হলো record. Next, the dash button on the toolbox display data from a related table. Answer হলো sub from অথবা sub report. Next, a dash enables you to view data from a table based on a specific creation. Answer বলছে query. Next, what is a comparison operator in Access? Answer হলো equals to, মানে এখানে option A আমাদের answer. Next, which of the following is not a type of MS Access database? Answer হলো worksheets. Next, the dash operator will cause a record to be selected only if two or more conditions are satisfied. Answer বলছে and. Next, which of the following has width 8 bytes? Answer বলছে date or time. Next, this data type allows alphanumeric characters and special symbols. Answer বলছে text. Next, which of the following is not a valid data type in MS Access? Answer বলছে picture. Next, this most popular commercial DBMS? Answer বলছে Oracle. Next, the two from layout types will display multiple records at one time, a tabular and justified. Next, a primary key in any table has the properties, answer বলছে both of above, মানে option A not null এবং option B duplicates, এই দুটো হবে. Next, an organized collection of logically related data is known as, answer আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে database. Next, which of the following database object produces the final result to present? Answer বলছে reports. Next, if you write criteria values vertically one in a row it will mean, answer বলছে or conditions. Next, which type of field is incremented automatically? Answer বলছে auto number. Basic elements of a form or a report are called, answer হলো controls. Next, which query is to calculate total or average of some numbers, answer bolche update query. Next, how to count duplicate data in a query, answer bolche আগে আমাদেরকে ডিজাইনে যেতে হবে তারপর সেখান থেকে টোটাল. Next, press the following keys in MS Access to print the current or selected object, answer আমাদের হলো control plus P. The appropriate data type to store time in MS Access, answer হলো date time. Next, a collection of related tables is called, answer bolche database. Next, a dash name must be unique within a database, answer holo table. Next, what are the column in MS Access table called, answer holo field. A dash enables you to view data from a table based on a specific criteria, answer bolche query. Data can be import into Access database from, answer holo Excel. Next, if তো এখানে একটা ইকুয়েশন দেওয়া আছে, this expression is an example of, answer আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি conditional. Next, extension of MS Access 2007, answer হলো ACCDB. Next, default data type of a field, answer হলো text. Next, we can remove a relationship defined between two tables by select the relationship line and press delete, মানে এখানে answer হবে option B. Next, if you write criteria values vertically one in a row, it will mean, answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে or conditions. Next, both conditions display on the same row in the design grid when dash operator is in use, answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে and. Next, the dash operator will cause a record to be selected only if two or more conditions are satisfied, answer bolche and. Next, in the form of wizard dialog box, the fields from the selected table are displayed in this list box, answer holo available fields. Next, which of the following is not a from style available in the from wizard dialog box, answer holo highlights. Next, queries are based on this, allowing you to use a query as the source for froms and reports, answer holo tables. Next, which major database object stores all data, answer holo table. Next, access file operations can be found by clicking the dash, answer holo office button. Next, a dash information is a major database object used to display information in a printable page format, answer holo report. Next, in datasheet view new records are added to a table dash, answer bolche at the end of the table. Which of the following cannot be done to data using a from, answer holo store. Next, a dash in the record selector indicates a new record, answer bolche asterisk. Next, which is not an option of the picture size mode property, answer bolche fit. Next, which mode sizes an image to fit the control while maintaining the proper proportions of the original image, answer bolche zoom. Next, which of the following views is used to graphically summarize and analyze data in a record sheet, answer bolche pivot chart. Next, using the keyword dash will return records in which the field value equals a defined text, answer bolche like. Next, in a module a dash is a series of commands and properties that perform a specific task, answer bolche procedure. Next, a dash is the default control for a yes or no field, answer bolche checkbox. Next, which of the following is database language? आंसर बोलছে all of above, মানে ऑप्शन ए defined definition language, ऑप्शन बी data manipulation language and ऑप्शन सी query language, এই তিনটেই হবে। নেক্সট, an algorithm that calls itself directly or indirectly is known as, आंसर बोलছে recursion। नेक्स्ट, what type of text box does the toolbox add to a from? आंसर बोलছে unbound। नेक्स्ट, dash is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify a record, आंसर बोलছে super key। नेक्स्ट, what is DBMS? তো এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে আনসারটা DBMS stores, modifies and retrieves data। নেক্সট, to create queries in access, আনসার আবার আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে all of above, মানে অপশন এ you can type the SQL command in SQL view, অপশন বি you can use query user or design view, and অপশন সি you can drag and drop fields on query builders, এই তিনটেই হবে। নেক্সট, the expression builder is an access tool that controls an expression dash for entering an expression, आंसर बोलছে box। next, when a picture or other graphic image is placed in the report header section it will appear, आंसर দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে once in the beginning of the report। next, dash refers to the correctness and completeness of the data in a database, आंसर হলো data integrity। next, cascade delete option, आंसर देखते पाচ্ছি বলছে is available in edit relationship dialog box which makes sure that all the related records will be deleted automatically when the record from parent table is deleted। next, DBMS are featured with, आंसर देखते पाচ্ছি বলছে the ability to store large amount of data to facilitate easy update, sort and retrieval। next, which of the following is not a logical database structure, आंसर बोलছে chain। next, who created the first DBMS, आंसर बोलছে Charles Bachman। next, in MS Access hyperlink data type can store, आंसर बोलছে all of above, মানে web address, email address and path of a file। if you creating a cross tab query what must table you were querying contain, आंसर बोलছে at least 3 field। next, it is a query that when run displays its own dialog box prompting you for information such as, आंसर बोलছে parameter। next, what is the purpose to a sub from or report, आंसर देखते पाচ্ছি বলছে to provide a hierarchical view of related tables or queries in a single window। next, a small button with 3 dots usually displayed the right of field properties box, आंसर बोलছে build button। next, how can you edit relationship already established between two tables, आंसर देखते पाচ্ছি বলছে both of above, মানে এ অপশন এ আর অপশন বি। অপশন এ বলছে রাইট ক্লিক দ্য রিলেশনশিপ লাইন অ্যান্ড চুজ এডিট রিলেশনশিপ, আর অপশন বি বলছে ডাবল ক্লিক দ্য রিলেশনশিপ লাইন। which of the following is not a type of database, आंसर बोलছে decentralized। next, information about data is known as, आंसर बोलছে metadata। next, what does an RDBMS consist of, आंसर बोलছে collection of tables। next, it is used to calculate and restructure data for easier analysis of your data, it calculates the sum, आंसर बोलছে cross tab। next, in one to many relationship the table in one side is called dash and on many side is called, आंसर बोलছে parent and child। next, which field type can store photos, आंसर बोलছে OLE। next, while creating relationship using mouse, how the mouse pointer looks like? Answer বলছে an outlined rectangle. Next, which of the following expresses correct order? Answer বলছে characters, fields, records, tables, files and databases, মানে option A. Next, dash is a hardware component that is most important for the operation of a database management system. Answer বলছে high speed large capacity disk to store data. Next, a query summarizes information in a grid organized by regions and months. Which type of query is this? Answer বলছে a cross tab query. Next, two tables can be linked with another relationship so that the data integrity can be enforced. Where can you find relationship command? Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে database tools tab. Next, a dash is major object that completes an action or a set of actions. Answer হলো macro. Next, which of the following is not a database object in MS Access? Answer holo relationship. Next, which action do you use in a macro to automatically send a report snapshot in an email message? Answer holo send object. Next, which type of query is used to add records from one table to another? Answer holo append. Next, the database language that allows you to access or maintain data in database. Answer holo DCL. Next, Microsoft Access provides visual environment for design of dash. Answer holo all of them, মানে option A tables, option B reports and option C forms, তিনটেই হবে. Next, referential integrity means? Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে do not enter a value in the foreign key field of a child table if that value does not exist in the primary key of the parent table. Next, বলছে cascade delete option. Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে is available in edit relationship dialog box which makes sure that all the deleted records will be deleted automatically when the record from parent table is deleted. Next, cascade update option. Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে both of above, মানে option A বলছে means do not change the value in the primary key field if that record has related records in another table, and option B means change all the related records in child tables if the record in parent table is changed. এই দুটোই হবে. Next, if you need to edit a relationship, answer holo both of above, মানে option A right click the relationship line and choose edit relationship, and next option B double click the relationship line. এই দুটোই হবে. To achieve an effect when you are entering criteria in a query design window. Answer holo write criteria values horizontally. Next, a search value can be an exact value or it can be, answer holo wildcard character. Next, you can automatically include all of the field in a table in a query by dash a strike that appear list box in query design view. Answer holo double clicking. Next, when a picture or other graphic image is placed in the report header section, it will appear dash on the bugging of the report. Next, if you make an invalid entry in the input marks wizard dialog box, this will display to advise you that the entry is not correct. Answer holo validation error. This form displays the field name labels down the left side of the column with the data for each field just to right of its corresponding label. Answer bolche columnar. Next, this form displays data in a table layout with field name with field name labels across the top of the page and the corresponding data in rows columns under each heading. Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে tabular. Next, in this form, a single record may appear in multiple rows in the from window in order to fully display the field name label and data. Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে justified. Next, you can move between fields in a from by using any of these keys except answer holo page up. Next, this type of query summarizes large amounts of data in easy to read row and column format. Answer bolche cross tab. Next, which of the following is not one of the method available in the new query dialog box to create queries? Answer holo datasheet view. Next, what happens when a user select a record in a from and presses delete? Answer bolche the record is deleted in the from and from its source table. Next, what is one of the advantages for using a from over other access objects? Answer bolche utilize field placement to improve the efficiency of data entry. Next, which of the following method cannot be used to copy a block of text from one part of a table to another? Answer bolche press Ctrl plus plus and Ctrl plus minus. Next, all attachment fields display as a in a datasheet view. Answer holo paperclip. Next, which of the following methods cannot be used to delete records from a table? Answer দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলছে pressing তার সাথে pressing control plus backslash মানে হলো অপশন বি. Next, where can you find the undo command in access? Answer holo quick access toolbar. Next, an application that executes on separate PCs like this is called a dash application. Answer holo distributed. Next, what type of controls are text boxes when data from the record sheet is visible? Answer bolche bound. Next, when increasing the control padding space is added where? Answer bolche between all controls. Next, to apply an auto format to an entire from, what must you select first? Answer holo from selector. Next, which of the following statements about criteria in a query is not true? Answer bolche criteria cannot be specified as an expression. Next, which of the following statements does not hold true for the top values property? Answer bolche the top values property displays only the highest values from the query. Next, which of the following statements about calculated fields is not true? Answer bolche data contained in a calculated field is created the first time a query is run. Next, what is the process of eliminating redundant fields by separating data into tables called? Answer bolche normalization. And lastly, a dash is a major object that can run independent of a control. Answer bolche macro. তো আজকের মতো আমরা এখানেই শেষ করছি. এগুলোই ছিল আমাদের সিডিটি অনলাইন এক্সামে যেসব অ্যাক্সেসের সম্ভাব্য কোশ্চেনগুলো আসতে পারে, তো সেগুলো এগুলোর মধ্যে থেকে আসতে পারে. তো আজকের মতো ভিডিওটা এখানেই শেষ করছি. আপনাদের যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন. আজকের মতো এখানেই শেষ করছি. দেখা হচ্ছে পরের একটি ব্লগে.